Good evening! My name is Harry Blue, and we're revving up for another exciting show. Tonight's exhibition game is for a good cause. The ticket sales all go towards the charities that each of our players have selected. And the lucky winner gets to contribute $200,000 more to his or her charity. That's right, $200,000 of cold, hard, green cash. That's right, green, which I understand is blue and yellow combined. Let's take a look at our lineup. First up, we have Bolt.
Yeah!
It's no mystery why we call him Bolt. Yes, fans, he's as fast as a lightning flash. Bolt is playing for his charity, the Blue Mountain Housing Project.
Yippee!
Next up, we have Ladybug. She's best known for her grace, beauty, and fearlessness. She is one fierce competitor. Ladybug is playing for her charity, the Red Hill Oilers.
Yeah!
Finally, we have Buzz. Buzz is a silly, cheerful little fellow who buzzes around with great speed and agility. Buzz is playing for his charity, the Yellow School Bus Company. First up is Bolt.
Yeah!
Like a flash of lightning, he's going to try to take out 10 targets in 10 seconds.
Woohoo! Yay!
And he did it! Does Bolt ever cease to deliver? I think not!
Yahoo!
Next up is Ladybug.
Yippee!
Ladybug is going to attempt to take out all these targets while flipping through the air.
Yay!
Ladybug took them all out. She is fierce.
Yeah!
Finally, there's Buzz. Using his startling agility, Buzz will take out targets that are scattered all throughout the course. Only this time, we decided to make the targets a little more colorful. Some are red, some are blue, some are yellow.
Awesome!
And he buzzes off. Look at him go! Wow! Are my eyes playing tricks on me, or are those targets changing colors? Yes, they are! The yellow paintballs are causing the blue targets to turn green! One of the secondary colors! Why do I have a sudden craving for a glass of orange juice? Maybe because Buzz's yellow paintballs are causing the red targets to turn orange. Another secondary color. Oh no! It looks like Buzz needs a little break. Who will take his place? Hey, what do you know? It looks like Ladybug is here to save the show. appears that her red paintballs are turning the blue targets purple! The last of the secondary colors! Folks riding back onto the scene!
Yeah!
And what do you know? There is such thing as teamwork!
Woohoo!
And look at all those colors! I feel like I'm stuck in the middle of a rainbow! Now the question is, which of these fierce competitors is going to take $200,000 of cold, hard, green cash to the charity of their choice? We have Bolt,
Yeah!
Ladybug,
Yippee!
Buzz. It seems as if our trusty applause meter has determined that it's a tie. They will all split the money and take back some serious green cash to their favorite charity.
Yippee!
What an awesome show they gave us today! The Monster Truck Show for Monster Sports Fans! Drive home safely, folks!
Yeah! Yahoo!
Good night!